Hi guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. We are going through HTML series and this is HTML real-time part 2 video. If you didn't watch part 1, you can watch in my channel Dotnet Tutor. Let's go to other tags in HTML. What is hyperlink in HTML? So a hyperlink tag is used for navigation purpose. So href and target attributes are there in this hyperlink. So a is an element and href and target is an attribute. These are attributes, and in href we can write some URL. So if you want to navigate to Google web page, so if you click on Google, this link will navigate to another tab or within the same page also. So if you want to navigate within the page or within other page, like if you want other website to we want to go, then we will use these hyperlinks. And the next tag is the image tag. If you want to give some image in the web page, then we will write by using image tag. It is img, and we can give some image path in src attribute. And if the image is not loaded, we can give some text. If the image is not loaded, the text will be displayed by in alt attribute. These src alt are attributes and img is an element. And if we want to comment the unnecessary code in HTML, we can comment like this by using less or less than exclamatory and greater than in this between these symbols. So you can understand in the example. So the next is an order list and order list. If you want to go write some items in an order list, like we can mention by using ul. It will show the content in bullet points. And order list, if the items can be displayed in order, like in the numerical order or alphabetical order. So it is like OL. So you can see an example how this works. And the next tag is HR. This element will make the horizontal line. This is horizontal line example. Let's see all these tags we can implement in our example. Let's write an example. I'm going to E drive and with the DT examples. For now I'm deleting this. I will create again. So I'm creating the new file, new text document with HTML part 2. Okay, so we should write some code in this file. Let's write. This HTML code will be started by with HTML tag, and this HTML tag should be closed. And here I'm writing body and I'm closing this body tag. So I'm closing this body tag, and here I'm giving some heading. You can give like HTML part 2. I'm closing this heading. So here I'm giving a hyperlink href called https, just I'm giving the link google.co.in. Between the quotations we should give, and I'm closing this tag we should name this link search in Google. Okay, and here below I'm giving a horizontal line, and here I'm giving some image, source equal to some .net or jpg, actual some folder name slash image name we are giving, and if the image is not loaded, the text will be displayed .net image. So close this. So the image actually in this example the image will not be loaded because in notepad the image can't be stored, can't be saved, right? So what will we do is, in the next video I will explain how the .NET tools will be installed, like a Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, if we write HTML and image will be saved in some folder, then that image will be loaded. So in the notepad we can't load the image, so the image will be broken after running this file. So don't worry about it. I will tell you how to install the tools required for .NET. So in those tools this code will be worked very well. So let's continue. Here I am also decided to give some horizontal line, and after this I'm giving an order list, and I should close this order list, and this order list item we should give. I'm giving HTML and closing this list item, so every item should be closed like this. And again I'm list item, I'm giving JavaScript, HTML next JavaScript, I'm closing it. I'm giving another item CSS, closing this. So if you want to write these items in an order list, then we can write by using an order list, which I'm closing this, and just I'm copying these all items here. So same items will be displayed with unordered, without order, like some bullet points. That's it. All the topics we have covered, and I'm keeping here some horizontal line. Just don't forget to save this file with extension html. We can save with html also. I'm saving with html, so we are saving in the same dt examples folder. Let's go to the dt examples folder. See here we can see the file with the icon, Chrome icon. Just double click on it. Here the example is here on HTML part 2. This is hyperlink we have given. This is the image is not loaded, so text is displayed. So and HTML items are displayed with order, and this is on order. So if I click in this hyperlink, Google is displayed, but I want to open this hyperlink in the next page, the next tab. Then what should we do? We should mention some target attribute in this file. So okay, go to our file, right click on it, open with notepad, and make changes here. Make some change here. What is here? HTML href, and we have to mention target attribute. So in this target attribute I'm mentioning blank. Blank means it will display in next tab. Just saving it, save it, and come to our file, just our page, just refresh it and open this search in Google, click on this. See, it is opened in next tab. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching HTML series, and I recommend you to do more examples. The more you practice, you will love the coding. And stay tuned, on this channel for more videos. In the next video I will do some tools which are needed for .NET developer. I will tell you how the tools like Visual Studio, so that we can write these all HTML code in Visual Studio, so that the images, all folders, images, we can give in those tool. So that's it for now.